Have you ever looked up one day and realized, I don't feel like myself anymore? Not because you failed, not because you're broken, but because you've spent so many years taking care of everyone else that you slowly stopped caring for yourself. You showed up for family, you showed up for work, you showed up for friends. You showed up for everyone except you. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. Every week, I share simple wellness tips and encouragement to help women over 40 come back to themselves. The truth is, losing yourself doesn't happen overnight. It happens one responsibility, one sacrifice, one I'll do it later at a time. Until one day you realize you can't even remember the last time you did something simply because it brought you joy. Coming back to yourself doesn't require a complete makeover. Sometimes it starts with something simple as drinking your coffee while it's still hot, sitting on your patio for a few quiet minutes, reading a chapter of a good book, taking a walk just because you want to, enjoying a cup of ice cream without feeling guilty. Those small moments remind you that you matter too. If this message is encouraging you, take just a moment to subscribe so you don't miss future videos about wellness, faith, and finding your way back to yourself. Here's one thing I want you to remember. Today, you don't need to become someone new. You simply need to come back to yourself. If this message spoke to your heart, leave me a comment and tell me one small thing you are going to do for yourself this week. And if you'd like more encouragement like this, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you join me on this journey. Until next time, take care of yourself because you matter too.